All right, guys, I'm going to take you to one of my favorite places to eat. You get breakfast and lunch here, which is really cool. But also, this is one of Papa Tom's favorite places to eat. So it would not surprise me if we don't run into Papa Tom there. So hopefully he'll be there, because that would be really cool. But we're heading there, so just hang on.
Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube.
All right, guys, we made it. We are here, and welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we're in West Jefferson, North Carolina, and we're at one of my favorite places to eat, the Hillbilly Grill. This place is awesome. It is one of my favorite places to eat, but I know it's also Papa Tom's favorite place to eat. He's always here, but you never know. He may be here, he may not, but let's just look around and see if we can find him.
I wish that somebody come along, some family or somebody that I could eat breakfast with.
Papa Tom!
Well,
You are here! Hey, awesome! We were hoping you were going to be here.
Well, I'm glad you come along. I was looking for somebody to eat dinner with.
Well, we're glad to eat with you. Let's go! Come on!
Let's go.
Now, if it's a nice day, you can sit outside here if you want to, but we decided to sit inside. Now, this place ain't very fancy, but that's maybe what I like about it, just because it's just normal.
Come here a minute. Sit down right here. Sit down.
Do you want people to yell at me? Do you want people to yell at her?
Yeah. How y'all today? I'm just glad to be here at the Hillbilly Grill. These folks is the nicest folks. And, you know, at my age, I'm glad to be anywhere. I'm hungry. I ordered a big old omelet. I bet it come out here big as a dinner plate. Well, I just love their food here. Got a good atmosphere, and the coffee's always on. I can't find the dang spoon in my bucket here.
In there, is there?
Well, that's the reason I can't find it. They told me when I come in here that this is a nice place, and I had to straighten my hat up if I was going to eat here.
Now, Papa Tom had an omelet, but you don't have to have an omelet. You can have pretty much whatever you want for breakfast here. They got it all. But if you'd rather have lunch, you just look on the lunch menu here. They got burgers, they got wings, all kinds of stuff, and it's all good.
Omelets
Yum, yum.
and fish.
Give us thanks, Lord, for Jesus Christ's sake. Amen. Boy, don't this here look good? This here's 3 eggs and all this toast on here. Man, I'll be full as a little brown dog tick when this is over.
Now, I had the fish and chips with macaroni and cheese, and my wife had the barbecue burger with bacon. Now, Papa Tom, he likes a little omelet with his salt. He says it's preservative, but I don't know.
They bring you silverware in these little old bags like this here. See, I'm taking my fork out of it. But when I get done, if I can draw, I can put this up on the wall right here by somebody else. People from all over the world have been here. If you look at this wall right here, they got people that's from the south part of town, and some of them from the north part of town, and there's about 13 foreign countries. Them people there's from Atlanta, Georgia, have been here, right here, and then. Well, look, it looks like a picture of me right there. Look at that thing. I impersonate an idiot pretty good, you know. I think I'm gonna like this. What do y'all think? Look here, I done got it doctored up and everything, you know, ready to go. Yum, yum. Oh, it's delightful.
You know, what makes the Hillbilly Grill so neat is all the decorations on the walls, and it's really eclectic, but what really makes it special are the bags that are pasted all over the walls in the whole restaurant. I mean, it just gives you something to look at while you're going. It's just really cool, and they just started putting these things everywhere. There's no more room, so they started sticking them in window ledges and everywhere, and I think I see a few budding artists.
Alan's having fish today. I believe this fish was caught down here local, like just here a while back. It's a new fork of the South, New East West River right here. It runs around our county. Look here, ain't that good? I'm pretty good, ain't I? I was here.
Oh man, you have to come to this place. If you ever get in West Jefferson, like I said, this is one of my favorite places to eat, and it's never disappointed. Today I had the fish and chips, and oh wow, that is one of the best meals that may be my new favorite for lunch. Oh, it's so good. But anyways, if you're not a subscriber, click that subscribe button down below. Also, give us a big thumbs up like, it really does help the channel. And until next time, we'll see ya.